Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add friends to your favorites list on Facebook. This feature is perfect for keeping up with the posts of the people who matter most to you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you haven't updated the app recently, make sure it's up to date to ensure you have access to all the latest features. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this menu icon, which will open a list of options. Now, scroll down until you see Feeds and select it. Within the Feeds section, you'll find a tab labeled Favorites. Tap on it, and then select Manage Favorites. This is where you can customize your favorites list by adding or removing friends. Next, search for your friend by scrolling through the list or using the search bar provided. Once you've found their name, tap Add next to their profile. That's it. Your friend is now part of your favorites list. Adding friends to favorites ensures their posts are prioritized in your feed, making it easier to stay connected with them. You can also revisit this section anytime to manage your list, whether you want to add more friends or remove someone from favorites. Remember, your friends won't be notified when you add or remove them from this list. It's a simple and private way to curate your Facebook experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll always be up to date with your closest connections. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Facebooking.